great, fun little etude that is one of the last in its series of legato and tricky maneuvering between the strings. I recommend learning this slowly and really understanding the text before you attempt to play it at a faster tempo. And of course, watch out for tricky intonation and the bow distribution. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I invite you to visit my website where you can learn more about the lessons I teach. Thanks for watching.